in order to do that, click on the window search icon and type in Control Panel, and then open this app here. Should look something like this, and then click on Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center. And then on the left side we can see 4 different links. We need to click on the second link that is called Change Adapter Settings. And then in here we can see our network adapters, and here it doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, just right click on your network adapter and click on Disable. And then we can already check on the bottom right corner that our internet access is lost. Yeah, and then if we've waited a few seconds, we can already enable it again. Right click, enable, and then this might take again a few seconds or moments to re-identify and reconnect to the network. But yeah, don't worry. In order to do that, just a quick note, you need to have administrator rights. And we can already check on the bottom right corner that our internet access is back. And then we can already close the network connections window. And then back in the network and sharing center, at the connections section here, click on this link. Again, doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. And then open the properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4. And again, click on properties. And then make sure to use the following DNS server address as setting instead of obtain DNS server address automatically. And then for the preferred DNS server, type in 4 times the 8, and for alternate DNS server 2 times the 8 and 2 times the 4. Yeah, you can also pause this video real quick to just type these digits in. If you're wondering, this is the official Google DNS. And then when you've done it, just click on OK. Click on close, and click on close. And that's already it. That's how you can fix the issue if the playing with friends is not working in FIFA 22. If you've got any questions left regarding this topic or something did not work, just leave them in the comment section below. I'm always happy to answer your questions and so on. Yeah, I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.